Hello to everyone. So I want to talk about my experiences with baking soda. So I think not a lot of you know that when I was in the Philippines and I am a medical doctor, but I was practicing medicine when I was in my country, not here. Okay, just to make everyone know that I'm not practicing medicine, but this is just, I want to tell you the story. So, not everyone know that I'm using baking soda when I was, as a part of my Dr. Farah protocol. So here I have my own right now. It's neutralized. It's available at drfarah.com. And I used it for almost all types of condition. Almost, okay. Not all, but almost. Maganda siya kapag there's chronic diarrhea. Especially, you can try it, you know. Nakita mo yung anak mo, nagbigay ka na ng antibiotic, nakainom na ng probiotics, na-try mo na, nagtatai pa din. Okay. And this is, I'm talking about simple diarrhea, okay? Kasi maraming types ng diarrhea. And you might want to try baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon in one glass of water. Drink it and see if it helps you.